It just gives you like this nice little glow that just makes you feel like your skin is just hydrated and refreshed looking. I had like very little hyperpigmentation over here. It's like my troubled area, but I never have to conceal it because the foundation that I usually wear does the trick. Hey friends, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys a quick little makeup routine for the busy mom. And when I say busy mom, I'm a mom of 5, okay? So I like to look cute, but I don't want to spend all the time doing makeup. So for me, a busy like face routine generally takes under 10 minutes. Also, so in general, when I'm out and about, I get a lot of compliments on my skin. People say my skin's nice and glowy, and even when I don't do a lot, even on days where I'm wearing like a cap, a baseball cap, and if I have a little bit of foundation down here, I always get a lot of compliments. So I figured, you know what, let me go ahead and share my little routine with you guys so you can get the same if you're not already getting it, okay? I'm not saying I'm the only one. So anyways, let's jump into it. So the foundation of choice that I'm going to use is going to be the Clinique Even Better foundation with SPF 15. And because this has SPF, this is why I kind of skip out sometimes and not putting on SPF, but I still think I should because 15 is not enough. So anyways, I really don't put that much because I find that this foundation does go a far way. It is like, yeah, it covers, okay? I don't conceal, I don't do anything to prep, I don't put on any primers typically. I might go ahead and try at some point, but I haven't so far. This is the amount that I'm putting on right now, and I always rather start off. Can you guys see that? So this is the amount that I'm putting on right now. I generally prefer to start off with a little and put it a little bit more if I have to. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. And we'll start off, you'll see, I do have a few little hyperpigmentation on this side, but I usually use my brush and stipple it on. And I want to say all the products that I'm using in today's video, I will list them individually down below. My Amazon storefront, you guys can go check them out for yourself to see what they are. And yeah, you can use my link to purchase them. But I currently have a mirror in my hand, but I'm using the viewfinder for the camera to see to see myself. But yeah, I just stipple it on like this and just kind of pat it into my skin. The one issue that I did run into with this foundation once is the fact that I bought a whole container and it was the wrong color. I held on to it for too long and then it was out of the window to actually return it. So what I did do was kind of mix it with this one. I mixed the darker one because the other one was just way too dark. I mixed the darker one with the light one with this one, and I don't know, it works for a certain season. So the other one is more, it's just kind of sitting there. Anyways, so as you guys can see, the coverage so far is really good given the amount of foundation I just used. I had like very little hyperpigmentation over here. It's like my troubled area, but I never have to conceal it because the foundation that I usually wear does the trick. And you can see. So that's the amount that I usually put on. Now, I usually kind of go in at my neck with the excess just to kind of blend it a little bit so we're not looking like two different colors, because for some reason or another the neck area for me, or for darker women, for women of color, tends to be like a little bit darker. But yeah, that's pretty much it in terms of like all that I have to do. And that was very little foundation. This foundation stretches very far and it goes on so well. Let's see. So it is the one that, it says it evens and corrects. And I feel like it kind of does. I feel like it does that because, I mean, look at my face. And nothing's seeping through and nothing's standing out. And it just gives you like this nice little glow that just makes you feel like your skin is just hydrated and refreshed looking. I haven't done anything except put that on. Yeah. So there goes this. This already answers the question for a lot of people. Anyways, okay guys, so I just got caught up in a conversation on the phone and I went ahead and put on my mascara, but I'm about to put on my face powder, and the face powder that I use is the L'Oreal, let's see, can you guys see it? Is the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. It's 24-hour fresh wear. And yeah, the color that I'm using, why is that part gone? I think it's sienna. Yeah, I think it's like sienna or something like that. Anyways, all I do is dab and I just try to press it in. This, I don't always do this because as you can see when you're applying this is a matte and this is kind of like a dewy kind of finish, but I am planning on wearing a Fit setting spray. And what I do is just kind of gently buff it in. So it appears that I chose like the wrong day to do this makeup routine because I'm trying to get out the door and finish my makeup, and I just got a bunch of different calls. So anyways, I applied my mascara, I applied the foundation, and now I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus spray to set my face. I'm actually running late. I'm actually gonna skip my concealer, but I did actually use an LA Girl concealer in a lighter color. I'll show it to you guys after. I'll probably show it to you guys after, but this is what it looks like without any blending or concealing under the eyes that I do from time to time. There's lots of times where I just kind of do this and I'm good to go. And this will be my look for the day. So this is my look for the day, guys. Oh my gosh, I just realized that I forgot my blush. What in the world? So the blush that I typically use is this Fenty Beauty, and it's a duo. So it's summer, so I just kind of stick with this side. Looks like that, and yeah, just pat, 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 pat. This is not a big deal because this honestly goes on in 2 seconds. I still have water beads on my face from my Fix Plus. Oh. Yeah. And that's the look for today, guys. Simple makeup for a busy mom, without overdoing it. So yeah, and I'm so happy about my brows that they're finally growing back. That's a story for another day. The lady literally just waxed off one completely, and it was so thin and it was driving me nuts, but now it's growing back in and I feel like myself again. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's little video. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. Like I said, it was just a simple mommy makeup routine for the busy mom. Basically makeup under 10 minutes, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give today's video a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Turn on the notification bell so you guys can get my latest video. As well, I went ahead and linked all of the products that I used today in the description box, so don't forget to check it out, and see you in the next video.